Hi, welcome back. Today's video is going to be part one of my favorites. We're going to be doing hair care and skincare. If that sounds like a good time to you, go ahead and settle in. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Holly. I'm a lifestyle blogger, but here on YouTube, I stick to beauty, fashion, and self-care. If those things are interesting to you, consider subscribing. I'd love to have you in the family, but right now we're just going to jump right into the video. We're going to start with hair care. In the past, I didn't try very many hair care products. I used the same shampoo and conditioner and put my hair in a bun and called it good. But I've started coloring my hair since the last couple of years have made me look a little bit older and starting to get some gray hairs in. So I've been doing balayage to try to kind of cover that. It is time for me to go in again. But to make my color last longer and to extend the time between toning appointments, I've been using a purple shampoo and conditioner set. I've tried like 3 different ones, and the best one is this one from Amika. This is the Bust Your Brass. Let me find a place to put this. This is the Bust Your Brass Cool Blonde Repair Shampoo. This is a purple shampoo, but what I really like about it is that it gets my hair clean, because a lot of purple shampoos don't, but it also doesn't dry my hair out, which is another issue from purple shampoos. Along with the shampoo is the Bust Your Brass Intense Repair Mask. Now, I tried the conditioner, which is fine, but I figured if I'm going to be using conditioner, I'd rather just use the Intense Repair Mask. That way it's extra nourishing for my hair. If you're looking for an affordable-ish purple shampoo, I would really suggest looking into Amika. I would suggest it for brunettes with highlights and also blondes who want like a cool blonde look to their hair. Another thing to know about my hair is that I have like an oily scalp, but I have fine hair, and I know that I need to condition, but I don't want to weigh it down and make it even flatter than it already is. So I try to look for like lightweight conditioners, and I found this one. I actually purchased it for my mom and then I stole it. It is from Pantene. I don't do a lot of drugstore, but this is really good. It's the Hair Volume Multiplier with bamboo. It is a silicone-free conditioner. It is very nice and lightweight, and it does a great job of making sure you don't have any tangles in your hair, but it's also not going to weigh your hair down. If you have like super dry hair, this probably isn't going to cut it, but if you're someone who has fine hair, or if your hair runs a little bit oilier, if you're someone who like washes every day, then this would be a good conditioner to check out, and it's super affordable. On days that I don't use the purple shampoo and conditioner, or I don't use a conditioner in the shower, I do reach for a detangling leave-in conditioner to use after I shower. I've tried so many leave-in conditioners, from extremely expensive like $40 bottles to extremely cheap bottles, and the conditioner that I like the best is actually from Garnier. It is the Whole Blends Gentle Detangling Milk Haute Delicacy Light Conditioning, softens fine to normal hair. This smells really nice. It's not an overwhelming smell. It smells kind of oaty, a little bit sweet, and it detangles my hair. It doesn't cause it to be greasy. It's wonderful. I actually have another one. Actually, I have 2 bottles coming to me in the mail in the next couple of days. It's super affordable. Highly recommend if you have fine hair. Now we're going to move on to skincare. I love skincare products. I really want to work on getting my skin to where it looks great and I can feel confident without wearing makeup. And so that means I try a ton of different products. When I made this little roundup of products, these are the products that really jumped out at me that I tried this year that I absolutely loved. The first one we're going to talk about, I actually learned about from Khaki Reviews Beauty, and it is the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Now, I know Shireen Idris, the dermatologist, talked about a dupe that you can get from this from CVS and Walgreens. I'm sure they're all sold out now, and in fact, I think this might actually be sold out on Sephora. But it's just a really nice spray. It helps if you have issues with redness or like if you're really prone to acne. I'm not usually, but I have been lately. So I've been spraying this on like as soon as I start my skincare routine. This is like the first thing that goes on. I mentioned that I try a lot of skincare products. I am very curious and I'm always trying to find the best products, but I also do comprehensive skincare reviews where I try a ton of products from one brand and just kind of share my thoughts on it. And one of those brands that I have been testing is Ren. This product is so good I had to share it with you now. It is the Ren Brightening Dark Circle Eye Cream. I know some people are like, you don't need eye cream, just put your moisturizer there. But if your skin under your eyes is different than the skin on your face, then you're going to want to use a different texture of cream. Or like maybe if you have really sensitive under eyes, you're going to want to use a different type of cream under your eyes than you would on your face. Anyway, I am pro eye cream if you haven't gathered, and I really enjoy this one. It is brightening for dark circles. I like to use it in the morning. Sometimes I even use it at night. I like that it is hydrating-ish, and it doesn't cause any kind of milia, and I think it really helps with dark circles. So I would highly suggest this. I actually like this one a little bit more than the Banana Bright. The Banana Bright is a little bit more emollient and reflective, where this doesn't have any kind of reflective properties, so it's going to work well with whatever makeup look you're trying to achieve. Now we're going to move on to moisturizers, and I have 3 moisturizers. Now I know that sounds excessive, but I use a different moisturizer depending on how my skin is feeling. And I honestly suggest that you have at least 2 moisturizers so you can do the same, because your skin isn't going to be the same day after day. Now I have combination skin, and it's like combo in every sense of the word. I have normal skin, it sometimes runs oily, but it's also dehydrated, and I have issues with dry patches and texture. So I have it all. When I'm having a day that is a little bit normal, or maybe I'm feeling a bit oily, like I'm not wanting a very thick moisturizer, then I will reach for the Paula's Choice Omega Complex Moisturizer with chia and flax seed. Now it says it's meant for normal to dry skin. I'm going to say that this is a little bit too lightweight for someone with actual dry skin. So I would say normal, yes. Dry or super dry, this isn't going to be hydrating enough for you. This has a very interesting texture. It's a very light and airy, and it's like, I don't know if I can get it to focus on that. It's just, it has a very airy consistency, so it's not overly thick. You're not going to feel like you're suffocating from using it. Nice for normal days. Now when I want a little bit more moisture but not a ton, and the moisturizer that I use most often is the Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cream. This is my second tub of it. I've done an entire video on Kiehl's, which I can link in the cards for you to check out. It is a squalane based moisturizer. It is really nice for most skin types. This is fragrance free, so if you have sensitive skin or easily sensitized skin, then I would suggest this. For the third moisturizer, I have an Avène. It's French. It's a Tolerance Extreme Emulsion Light. And it's got, this is really gross. Oh, yeah, no, I'm not showing that to you. And it has a thinner texture. Oh, whoops. I just squirted out a whole lot. But this is to show you the texture. It's lighter in a milky texture, however, it is very hydrating. I only use this when I have extreme dryness, my face is chapped, or my face is angry, because it is very moisturizing. It feels like you have moisturizer on. So if you don't like a heavy moisturizer, you would want to stay as far away from that moisturizer as possible. However, if you have very dry skin or angry skin, the Avène is really great. Now we're down to the last product, and this is a sample. It is the Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair Cream. This is very expensive. The full size retails for $88. This is what it looks like on the inside. It is just a really nice, soothing product. It is great for angry skin. It's not overly hydrating, so I would say if you have very dry skin, to probably steer away from it. But if you have skin that is red, this is a really great option. Okay, so there you go. Those are my hair care and skincare favorites for 2021. I would love to find out what your favorites for the year were, so please leave them down in the comments section below. And until next time, bye.